Hey there everyone, it's Jenna. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going antiquing. I am so excited. We're actually gonna go on a little road trip and we're gonna head up to High Point, North Carolina. That's actually the furniture capital of the world. So they have a lot of good stuff up there. There's one spot in particular that I love to go to. It's like one of my favorite antiquing places that I've ever been to. They just have so much good stuff. So I'm gonna take you all along with me and we're gonna go through the store in real time and just see what we can find. So should be fun. And yeah, I'll see you all in High Point. Okay, so we made it to Golden Oldies, and it does over here say open to the public because a lot of places here are showrooms and they're only for designers, but here you can go and shop and it's open to both the public and designers. So super cool stuff. They have this whole outdoor area and then they also have obviously all that space inside. So lots to explore. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this place. It is so beautiful. Everything in here is just so pretty. They also have an online Etsy shop, so I will link that below. There's a lot of things like these marble bowls that they sell on there. So I will try to link some of the things that I show. I also remember that not a lot of things in here have price tags on them. You kind of like have to ask at the end. So that's kind of a bummer, but this thing is so pretty, this old wooden planter. Like, this is just unreal. Everything in here is like old stone, old wood. Like, look at these. Oh my gosh. I love this one with the handles. They just have so many marble bowls in so many different sizes. I love the ones with like the little veining in them. This shape is also super cute. Just something different. And the guy that worked there actually printed out this price sheet for the bowls, which was super helpful, but it was almost a blessing and a curse that there were so many to choose from because I sat there for way too long overanalyzing the colors and the cracks and the sizing and the veining just to pick which one I liked best. It definitely took me a long time because I'm super indecisive. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all of these olive jars. We are in deep, deep trouble. Look at them all. There are so many and they're so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at all the little ones up there. Uh-oh. Like, how do you even pick when there's so many good ones? I kind of like the ones that have more of a neutral look to them. So this is kind of like a brown green versus the ones that are just like bright green because that doesn't really go with my decor. This one's really pretty too with just that like terracotta look. I love that. Ugh, oh my gosh, I love this one. I love how it has like that chalky finish to it. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I think we're gonna get this one. I love going to a store and just finding an olive jar, like that's really exciting, but this is so cool when you have your pick and you can choose the finish and the glaze. Like, it feels a lot more collected in my opinion, and I'm just like so giddy right now. I'm so excited. I put aside the one that I think I'm gonna buy, but I have to look through all of them and like really consider because there's so many good ones. Also, look at these nesting Hungarian mixing bowls, $75 for a set. I love this one, how it's kind of like a blue-gray glaze. I don't see any other ones like that. The kind of teal color is really pretty too. Honestly, the navy is pretty and the green, they're all gorgeous, but I don't know, my eye is just drawn to that one for some reason. I don't even know what I would use these for, but they're just so pretty. Look at that. I love the glaze on there. Like, I do pottery and I cannot even find a glaze that looks like this. And I have tried, trust me. That is such a good price for breadboards, the Hungarian breadboards. They sell these on Pottery Barn for like $200. They have these cute little ones. They're great for like putting up against a backsplash. We have a couple at home. I layered 2 of them and I just love how it kind of warms up our backsplash because it's really light and bright. So it helps to add some of that contrast and warmth in there. How cool are these mirrors? These would be so pretty at somewhere, maybe like a dresser, just for a styling piece. Like, they remind me of Beauty and the Beast. Just super unique and cool. All that detail in there. This is so pretty for $7.50. It's probably a little too ornate for my space, but I just think it's so pretty. These black little riser things are kind of cool. For like maybe a kitchen to put some spices and a candle on. It's really pretty and unique. I like the lines on it. They have a bunch of these like wooden bowls. I love the ones with the little handle detail or like the pointed ends. That's so cute. These are really pretty, like styled on a coffee table with some things inside like coasters or candles or maybe a vase. But sometimes you have to look for one that has like more of a flat base. Otherwise, obviously you can't put as much in it. Kind of like this one, how you can lay things on top of it. I feel like that makes it a lot easier. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, I love this for like a console table or something. They're huge though, so you'd have to have like a very big scale living room to put this in. I don't know, these guys are a little smaller over here. And there's just more and more and more. And I actually found this pricing sheet. So the small is $95, which that's pretty good. I'd like to get a small one. I already have a really small one that I have on one of our shelves in our upstairs living room. And I just love the unique texture that it adds. So it would be fun to kind of get a bigger one, a big small one, you know, something kind of this size. These are cool. They used to use these for like block prints. So they put ink on these. They'd be cool to like hang on a wall for like some texture. Are you kidding me? Look at this mantle. Oh my goodness, the lighting in here is really bad, but it is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love like all of the details on there. That is stunning. Outside, they also had a bunch of these beautiful terracotta planters. I asked her about them and she said that the smaller ones were $250 and the large ones were $275. They also have all these really beautiful wooden risers. Not too expensive either. Small is $40. So that's pretty good. Over here, you could use this for something like in a bathroom. You could put some soaps and a candle on here, or on a desk. You could style a little mini vase or something with a candle. I just feel like adding layers like this help to add texture to your space. It adds that warm detail with the wood, and you know, it just helps everything to look really organized and intentionally styled. So when you have really cool pieces like this, they're great to have as staples and just move them throughout your house. I have several of these and I love using them. They're some of my favorite like go-to pieces that I always grab. Okay, wow, there was so much good stuff there, you guys. I got a little haul, but I'm actually going to show that to you in my next video because we still have a couple more stops that I want to go to. I want to go check out Habitat for Humanity here because a lot of the showrooms actually donate last season's furniture and then they just sell it at the thrift store. So I want to go see what they have. A lot of times it is marked up a little bit because it's designer, but I just thought it'd be fun to check out. And then also there's a place in Charlotte called the Sleepy Poet that I really like to go to. So we're going to do 2 more stops. I think we're going to save Sleepy Poet for tomorrow because it's supposed to rain all day. So I feel like that'll be a nice fun activity for then. So let's go check out Habitat for Humanity and then we'll head back to Charlotte. So this is usually like all the designer showroom stuff. This pretty chair, $125. This little crock is cute for $20. You could use this as like a planter or something. You all know I just love that distress look. I just think that adds so much texture to your space without having to add anything loud. This little cup is so cute. It's only 50 cents. It'd be nice for like syrup or something. I don't know, it's really cute. This brown slipcover chair is cute. It's like a chocolate brown. $75 for like a desk maybe or something like that. This vase is really pretty, but it's $120. Still has the tag on it. So they didn't really discount it much, but I love that charcoal look. I think that's really pretty. Okay, so not gonna lie, I was a little disappointed with this Habitat for Humanity. I feel like last time it was a lot better. I felt like this time the prices were just really expensive and it wasn't that good of stuff. But it was pretty crowded in there, so it might just be picked over, or I might have gone at a better time last year. I think I went right after the High Point Market, so they had donated a ton of stuff. But oh well, we will reconvene tomorrow at the Sleepy Poet in Charlotte. Okay, you guys, this is my favorite shop. This is where I always come first because they have so many just like super beautiful, like old distressed antiques like this that I love, that are like totally my style. I love these little stone bowls. $39, that's actually a pretty good price. I have one and I use it to hold my Palo Santos scent sticks. and it just looks super cute. Just, you know, in somewhere where you would pop a candle, putting this there instead just looks a little bit more elevated. Okay, I didn't even notice, but they have a Palo Santo scent stick right here. So you just burn the top of it right here, and then you blow it out and you can set it in there and just let it smoke. So kind of like fills your room with that scent. They also have a bunch of them right here in these little bundles. $6. I do not need another bench, but this one is so pretty. It's $2.99. Look at that age detail. I do have one that I put like right next to our sofa. I'll insert a photo here. And I just love how it just instantly makes our space feel like worn and lived in. And I really love the color of this one. That's so pretty. Don't need another one though, but they're also really pretty at like the foot of beds too. They also have other benches over here. These are so pretty. The distressing on them is just gorgeous. Like these add a whole nother layer of character to your space. I just love these. I wish I needed another one because I would totally buy this. Also, they have this gorgeous black terracotta pot for only $159. That's such a good deal because McGee & Co sells these, and I believe they're like over $200 for something of a similar size. And these are just so pretty to put like stems in, or you could use this to put a faux tree in here. It just adds a really pretty kind of like rustic look to your space. This little wood toy is so cute. This would be so cute like on a shelf or just like in console styling. They also have these cute little benches. $65. I have one on our little shelf in our bedroom, and I love the rustic look of it. This one has a lot of pretty distressing on the top. So cute. Also, this giant olive pot is so pretty. It's $2.29. But that is like a statement piece. That would be so pretty like on a dining table or something with stems like that in it. Ugh, so beautiful. I need to go to another booth because this one is tempting me. These French doors are so pretty. Only $2.58 for a pair of two. I guess they're shutters, not doors, but they could be pretty like hanging on a wall or like out in a garden or something. Could hang plants off of these, like little terracotta pots. That'd be so cute. Look at all these leather jackets. It's so fun. Oh my gosh, look at this old leather bomber jacket. Like this is so cute. The pocket on the sleeve. It's $48. I don't think the camera is picking it up, but like the leather is so beautiful, and you can tell like this is old and good quality. Okay, this is what it looks like on. How pretty are these sleeves with that pocket detail? I love the back too. I don't know if you can tell, like has that really pretty stitching. It's like a little bit oversized, but I don't know, I love it. Dang it. I hate when I find things like this that I don't need, but I just love. We'll think about it. I also love to look at jewelry at antique shops. This really pretty turquoise necklace is only $2. I have a turquoise necklace that I wear in a lot of my videos, and I actually found it here. These little rings, they're $1. Like, that's such a good deal. So pretty. I also spotted this turquoise necklace down here. This guy's $24, but it's a little chunky for my taste, but I just love turquoise. This crock is really cute. It's only $35. That's really good for a crock. You could use this to hold your utensils or like as a little planter or something, maybe like for a little tree. You could pop a faux tree in there. Super cute. I just love old pottery. Like this is so pretty. $35. Let's see, is it signed? Yep. So someone made this by hand. I love that. $35 isn't too bad. You could put some flowers in there, like on a dining table, or on a console table or something. I like the glaze too and how it kind of breaks and looks a little rustic. So pretty. All right, everyone, that about wraps up this video. I hope that you enjoyed coming along with me in real time to the antique shops. Let me know what you think about the real-time shopping. Do you guys like the voiceover better? Do you actually like hearing what's going through my head at the time of me shopping? It was definitely more casual, which is kind of fun for me to make. And I do know that a lot of these items are on the pricier side. For me, antiques are those items that I'm willing to invest a little more in because they're the staple pieces in my home that have a little bit more character. And then I'll typically mix in more affordable decor, things from the thrift store or like budget things from Target, just to kind of dress things up and make it feel finished. But it's those antiques that really help to make a statement and make your space to feel collected and infused with character. So I hope you enjoyed coming along with me in search of some of those things today. I'm going to show you my haul and how I styled my pieces in my next video, so make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss it. And I just want to thank you all so much for watching this one. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!